Greetings, savvy moneymakers. Welcome back to Moneymaker Energy, your go-to source for unlocking the secrets of making money online. Today, we're diving into an exciting avenue perfect for those seeking to earn from the comfort of their homes. CashVib, a platform that lets you turn your video watching habits into a revenue stream. Before we dive in, if you're passionate about making money online, working from home, and discovering new side hustles, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Now let's embark on the journey of how you can make money with CashVib. 1. Introduction to CashVib. In this era of digital possibilities, many of us are on the lookout for ways to boost our income without leaving the comfort of our homes. Enter CashVib, a rising platform that's caught the attention of many with its unique approach to making money. CashVib acts as a bridge, connecting advertisers with users like you, offering a simple yet effective way to earn extra income by watching video ads. Let's unravel the workings of this platform and explore how you can leverage it to your advantage. So, how exactly does CashVib operate? It's refreshingly straightforward. First and foremost, you need to create a free account on the CashVib website. Once registered, a plethora of video ads becomes accessible to you. These videos can range from product promotions to brand awareness campaigns and even survey-based advertisements. Each video comes with a specified duration, and the platform transparently informs you about the earnings you can accrue for watching it. Now let's delve into the mechanics of how you can turn these video watching sessions into a lucrative venture. 2. How CashVib works. Earning on CashVib is a breeze. All you need to do is select a video of your choice, watch it in its entirety, and voila! You've just earned money. CashVib diligently tracks your viewing activity and credits your account with the designated amount after successfully completing the ad. While earnings may vary based on the length and nature of the advertisement, the beauty lies in consistency. Regularly watching videos can lead to a substantial income over time. It's a simple yet effective method to turn your leisure time into a profitable endeavor. But what about withdrawing those hard-earned earnings? Now let's talk about the best part, withdrawing your earnings. CashVib understands the importance of quick and convenient transactions, offering multiple options for withdrawals. Whether you prefer PayPal, bank transfers, or even gift cards, the platform has you covered. However, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the available withdrawal methods, minimum thresholds, or any associated fees to ensure a seamless transaction process. With the potential to turn your video watching habits into tangible cash, CashVib offers a user-friendly experience designed to benefit you. 3. Benefits of CashVib. Now, why should CashVib be your go-to side hustle? Firstly, it provides a flexible way to earn income. Watch videos at your convenience, seamlessly fitting into your schedule. Beyond that, it transforms your spare time into a potential revenue stream, making every minute count. CashVib doesn't just offer a platform to make money. It provides a diverse range of video ads, letting you explore different brands and products. It's an opportunity to not only earn, but also gain insights into the market. In essence, CashVib is not just a money-making tool, it's a gateway to a more informed and lucrative side hustle. In conclusion, CashVib stands out as a unique platform for individuals looking to earn money simply by watching video ads. With its user-friendly interface, diverse ad options, and flexible earning potential, CashVib has rightfully gained popularity as a go-to choice for those seeking additional online income opportunities. However, it's crucial to approach such platforms with realistic expectations and exercise caution when sharing personal information. When used wisely, CashVib can become a valuable tool to supplement your income while making productive use of your spare time. Now let's wrap up this exploration into the world of CashVib and discuss how you can share your experiences and thoughts. 4. Closing and community engagement. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive dive into the realm of making money with CashVib. If you found this video insightful, or if you've tried CashVib yourself, we want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, and any tips in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Moneymaker Energy for more content, and share it with anyone looking to explore new ways to make money online. This is Moneymaker Energy signing off. But before you go, remember this. It's not just about making money online, it's about building a life you love. So, until next time, happy hustling. Whether you're exploring new side hustles or making money online, remember that every effort you put in today is an investment in the life you'll live tomorrow. Stay tuned for more insights, strategies, and tips to fuel your journey toward financial empowerment. This is Moneymaker Energy signing off. Until next time, keep hustling, keep exploring, and keep unlocking the secrets to building your financial empire. Stay unstoppable!